Hey, foodies! Welcome back to Global Food Safety and Quality Network. Today, we're talking about why it's important to maintain a cooking temperature above 74 degrees Celsius for poultry. Let's start with safety, as poultry can carry harmful bacteria like Salmonella and Campylobacter. Undercooked poultry can lead to foodborne illnesses, so it's important to cook it properly. The magic number for internal temperature is 74 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit. At this temperature, harmful bacteria are effectively killed, ensuring your food is safe to eat. Cooking at 74 degrees Celsius not only ensures safety but also delivers a moist and flavorful bird. Invest in a reliable meat thermometer to accurately measure the internal temperature. Remember, this guideline applies to the thickest part of the meat, not just the surface. Maintaining a cooking temperature above 74 degrees Celsius is crucial for your kitchen and your health. It's about more than just a tasty meal. It's about your health and the health of those you're cooking for. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen wisdom, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy cooking!